Hello folks, I'm Gary and welcome to White Eagle Videos. I'm going to be traveling around the country taking drone videos and using lots of different cameras trying to get some beautiful shots of our national, state and local parks, national forest, and also doing some paranormal investigations. I'll be checking out Bigfoot, UFOs and ghosts. Hope you'll come along and enjoy the journey. Hello folks, this is going to be a new journey for me, traveling in my RV from the Outer Banks of North Carolina to the Pacific coast. I'll be traveling southwest, trying to find some warmer temperatures and looking for some paranormal investigations along the way. This has been a unique experience for me. It's been a dream of a lifetime to get a chance to travel this way and experience things that I've never seen before. It looks like that weather is closing in on me and I better hit the road. I'll be going to the coast of North Carolina and starting at Bodie Island Lighthouse on the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Then I'll be traveling southwest down through South Carolina, Georgia, through Alabama and Mississippi, Louisiana, stopping in Livingston, Texas, and setting up my domicile there. Leaving there, I'll be traveling on through the rest of Texas, stopping in different locations, checking out some of the old towns, and proceeding on through New Mexico to Arizona. I'll be attending the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous, in Quartzsite, Arizona, and also the Escapees Gathering, which will be occurring around the same time. I hope you enjoy the videos. Hope you'll subscribe and give us a like and share it with your family and friends. The videos will be of nature, national, state, local parks, national forest, and like I said, I'll be checking out some known hotspots for UFOs, ghosts, and Bigfoot. Be sure to tune in, travel with me, and enjoy the journey.